So, again, one of the first things I said when I saw you all on Friday and I did the Steve Purcell thing was a big round of applause to anyone whose first hackathon it was. And again, I think everybody whose first hackathon seen some absolutely incredible hacks while I've been here. The credibility of every team has been fantastic, to be honest. The creativity, the skill involved, the sheer drive. And although we started with about 5 teams doing the SendGrid challenge, we only finished with 3. So 2 teams couldn't hack it. But for the 3 teams who did finish the challenge, it was quite difficult to pick between them. But the team that I've picked basically worked incredibly hard, as did the other teams, of course. But they created something that was not only interesting but quite funny. And in my eyes, one of the coolest hacks that I've seen from any of the challenges. So the winning team for the SendGrid challenge is Team Where's Our Food? So
yeah, we are ready.
Basically, we are Team Where's Our Food, and this is our entry for the hackathon. It's called Where's Our Sound, and very loosely speaking, you could probably call it a collaborative music composition kind of thing using the SendGrid API. So basically, what we want to do first is to make it a little bit more interactive. We're going to start off with like a drum beat. So we have 4 to choose from. You can either pick A, which sounds like that. Oh, up, yeah. Back. B. C. Or D. So what we want you to do is take out your phone or your laptop and email this address up here and make the content of your message just the first letter in, not yet. Just make it A, B, C, or D. First letter in the body. I'll open up voting, so then you have 80 seconds to submit your vote for it. And you'll be able to see in real time here as the votes come in. So basically, it's wts@bymail.in. So basically what's happening here is we're using
Yeah.
Basically what's happening here is we're using the SendGrid's post API. We're monitoring that email address for emails, and then we're sending it as a post request to our Node.js server hosted in this laptop. Then we're using WebSockets to interface between the server and the client. So whenever an email's received, we parse it, find out what they voted, and then we send it over to the client. And then the client receives it and it updates this graph here, and the graph is being generated by Bootstrap, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Bootstrap and JavaScript. Yeah.
Bootstrap. So, yeah, 10 seconds left. So basically, A. 3, 2. Nope, that's it. Okay, so A is the winning one for that. Okay, right, this is where it gets a bit interesting. How we're doing melodies on it is we've created something called a melody chain. A melody chain is an 8-digit number. The numbers are either 0 or 1 to 8. 1 to 8 represent ascending pitch in a major scale, and 0 represents a break. So
C major.
C major? Yeah, okay. Basically an example string, so if you sent that string there, it would sound... Oh. We've broken it. Huh? No, we've broken it. There you go. Basically, as you send the strings, that there are different wave files there that all play, depending on what number you've inputted. So, hopefully this will work. If I press go here, is the sound working? Or have I ruined the server? Oh,
No beat here.
No beat here.
well done.
Good job.
I knew this would happen. There we go. So this is playing now. So if you go again to that email address, even if someone tries with maybe 1, 2, there we go. So people are coming in now, it's taking the name from your email address. And it's going to start playing the melodies that people have emailed in. So, yeah, most. So basically each of these 8-digit numbers is 1 bar and each number is half a beat.
And it's done. You can just put the demo.
Yep, that'll do. Okay, so basically that's our hack. It isn't as impressive as the other people's hacks, but oh well, it was a laugh.
Are you going to show the mock-up of what we did?
No, because it makes that look bad. Well, thanks for listening, and it'll probably work when we get time to fix it.